Arizona Riders Club, ride with us. Like this video! Woo! Alright, y'all, it's T with Arizona Riders Club. Just take a look. I feel great.
We're going to water box to the starting line after a day or so, or 2 days. The base of your shoes is just trash.
We out here, heavy hitters, quarter mile, pink slips. Come get you some.
We appreciate all of our.
Oh, I think I see a GTR over there.
Let's not forget the poor guy down at the time slip. He can't even see the racetrack. He sits there. I've done that job. I did that at the junior race last year. And all it takes is one time slip that doesn't come down to really screw things up. And you're sitting there, you're trying to find it, and all the kids are going, oh, where's my time slip? But it's a thankless job, but it's kind of neat when the drivers say thanks. You know, it means a lot.
Let's see if these guys are going to get it. We got a cleanup job all one, so it's going to take them a minute.
Finish your run.
Out here enjoying myself. Let me have a seat while they're doing. Just come out and holler at me. Hold up. Wait. Let's see. How do I switch this? I think that's it. No? Hold on. Give me a quick second, guys. I'm trying to figure out how I switch the camera. All right then. Thought it would be on this side, but I guess not. All right, hold on. I can't figure it out. Yeah, what's up, guys? It's your main man T with Arizona Riders Club. Out here at the Firebird Raceway, man. They are getting hot and heavy out here, racing. Quarter mile, drag strip.
Rolling up next from Orange County, California.
All right, so we got some action, so I'm gonna turn it around, guys.
This is the intermediate car, I'm going to call it. This is not the really fast one, it's the pretty fast one. Faster than our normal Friday nights. Ryan Howell out of Tempe in his 2000 Integra.
Out of Tempe, 2000
This car,
Integra.
I think, is a 940 car, which would put it probably 145, 150, something like that. The car in the right lane? The white car? Yes, yeah.
940. Gapped.
Chris B unfortunately spun the tires. 1057 for Ryan Howell, 143.
Life ain't fair.
You get 945, so that's a good guess.
Y'all see that? 1057 to 19.7, bruh. Oof. Disgusting. All right, man, you want you some, come on out. We're out here at Firebird Raceway, and before I let you go, it's T with Arizona Riders Club. Please ride with us.